Advocates say there is a shortage of caregivers for the elderly in Minnesota.
In fact, the head of a nonprofit agency that serves the Northwest Metro says it's the perfect storm just as baby boomers are set to retire in record numbers. Reporter Mike Johnson has more on that.
I'm with Deb Taylor, who is the CEO of Senior Community Services and the Reimagine Aging Institute, which is a nonprofit which advocates for older adults. And thanks, Deb, for being here. You've taken a look at the future of home care for older adults, and you're afraid that there could be a shortage. What did you see?
What we saw is that nationwide, baby boomers are turning 65 at the rate of 10,000 a day. Now think about that. Here in Minnesota, we're the land of 10,000 lakes. Think about adding 10,000 lakes every day. We'd be flooded. And the healthcare, long-term healthcare system is going to be flooded with our aging baby boomers.
What's that mean for people who are aging and want to stay at home?
What that means is that people need to start planning earlier and planning for that time when they retire, because the cost of retirement is a lot more than people expect it to be. For example, the cost of living in an assisted living here in the metro area is $46,000. The cost of living in a nursing home is $82,000 a year. Now think about that. That's not covered by Medicare, and it's coming out of a person's savings. And you know, a lot of baby boomers are not prepared for that.
Caregivers, though, would help people in their homes.
They would. Over 90% of the care here in Minnesota is provided by family caregivers. And for each 1% loss in family caregivers, it costs the state $30 million in public dollars.
Because family caregivers, that's care for free, basically.
It is care for free.
And you're caring for a loved one.
Absolutely.
But what's happening? Are those people not going to be around?
What's happening is the Generation X coming up behind the baby boomers are just smaller when it comes to the sheer numbers. And so there is a real concern for the shortage in both paid caregivers in the residential setting and in the informal, the family caregivers at home.
And a perfect storm, just at a time when we've got an exploding number of seniors.
It's the perfect storm coming together.
So what do we do about it in the last 30 seconds here?
What we do about that is partner with trusted local nonprofits that can help families navigate this stage of their life.
All right, thank you, Mike. For more information, you can check Senior Community Services website or give them a call. It's 952-541-1019.